Good morning, class. We're doing our temperature lab today, looking at changes in temperature. Did someone get the door? Oh, it's Thomas. He's here already. Okay. Well, good morning, Thomas. All right, please take your seat.
What up?
Good morning. Okay, we're going to be looking at Thomas. Could you turn the music down for this? Thomas, could you turn the music down?
Oh. My bad.
You can't have music on in the lab. It's kind of disrespectfful for other students and the lab in general. All right.
Yeah.
So, everyone get your worksheets out that we handed out. Yes. Does it? And Thomas, do you have your worksheet?
Huh?
Oh, well, luckily I have a spare here, but we remember to always come into the lab prepared with our instructions.
I ain't never seen the paper right here. What you talking?
We talked about this last week on Friday when we talked about the lab we were going to do next week. Don't worry about it, Thomas. The pre-lab stuff really isn't a big deal. We can worry about that at the end of our lab. Just work with a lab partner once we get started, okay? So, we're going to be looking at our lab with temperature changes. We're going to be heating up some water with our hot plate and then measuring out specific quantities into our graduated cylinders here today.
What they do?
That's a graduated cylinder, Thomas. Please leave it on this desk with the other one for the moment. We don't want to be careful. We want to be careful with that. I took out the glass one today.
I like these more.
Oh yes, Thomas. You should put your goggles on now. Okay.
Did that drill?
Thomas, over your eyes.
Why?
Put the goggles over your eyes. Otherwise, they're not protecting your eyes. They're just looking cool. You are looking cool, Thomas, but you got to look cool and safe. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So. We have our hot plate set up. Remember our procedure for using our hot plate. We turn on, when we turn it on, we only turn halfway on and pretty much just let it boil up and check our temperature. We need to be very careful because this gets very hot, especially the top of it, okay? All right, so I want you to look at your worksheet and see the first measurement you need to make. It should be the amount of water that we are going to be heating up to 80 degrees Celsius.
So I get to blow it up?
No, Tom. You need to look at our worksheet, figure out how much water we need to measure, and then use the graduated cylinder.
I need to you said look at the worksheet.
Yes, look at the worksheet. How much do you need to measure to start with, okay?
I can't do
Thomas, are you cold?
it.
Don't worry, I'll work through it here, okay? We'll get done, plenty of time. Listen, all we have to do.
All right.
Don't worry. Lunch isn't that long and far away, okay? So we just need to get through this lab day, all right?
All right. When need?
Okay, so once we've done our measurement for the water, I'll get some ice out of the refrigerator, and then we're not supposed to be eating in the lab.
I ain't eating.
I just did.
What you talking about?
Thomas, you should, we're not eating lunch.
I'm about to eat today. I gotta eat. What you mean? I'm gonna eat.
Mr. Sadler, I need to know individual students who don't have access to Chromebooks in your homeroom. So that,
it's delayed a little.
that's the only person.
The only one.
What you say, Mr.
Oh, it's all right. I was just talking to another teacher there about student Chromebooks or something else that's unrelated to our current lab. So Thomas, you need to put the food away, okay?
Why?
Because we can't eat in the lab. It's very dangerous to be eating in the lab.
One more.
Thomas, even having food and drink out right now, especially when we have the hot plate out. I mean, yes, we're not looking at water and ice today, but again, you could put water or soft drink. No, Thomas, you need to put the food away now. Back in the bag. Please, all the food goes back. Thank you. And drinks. What? You don't even need 2 drinks, Thomas.
I drank 2 drinks.
At the same time?
My mom bought me these from the stove.
Well, I'm glad.
You want one?
No, Thomas, I'm fine. Okay. All right. So once we get through our measurements here, we're going to heat up the water, separate into different containers, and measure the change in temperature after we add ice. Every 20 seconds, I'd like you to write down what the temperature is on the thermometer, okay?
Is that 10 seconds?
20 seconds.
20, oh,
It's
all right.
it's on the sheet. This is what we agreed on when we did our pre-lab on Friday. We had a whole class discussion about what the time interval would be, and we decided, Thomas! Don't, why? Thomas, do you need to see a
It's
nurse
hot.
now?
Yeah, I need to go to the nurse. Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
Thomas,
Hot.
come on, we'll get you a nurse, okay?
Ah,
Thomas, you need to be careful and not touch things till we're ready to
my
go.
folks in the food school.
Okay.
Get your